How to become a hacker in 2025, a complete roadmap for ethical hacking and cybersecurity. This video is for educational purposes only. We cover what hacking is, skills, tools, learning paths, and ethics. Let's start with the basics. Hacking is the art of exploring and testing computer systems. Ethical hackers improve security, black hats break the law. Ethical hackers help with prevention, detection, and response. They work in bug bounties, penetration testing, and security operations. Summary: ethical hacking is legal, mission-driven, and essential to cybersecurity. Next, the key skills you need to start. Core skills you should master. Start with networking, IP, DNS, and TCP/IP fundamentals. Practice with ping, traceroute, and packet captures to understand traffic. Learn Linux and the command line. It's the hacker's primary environment. Practice shell scripting and system administration basics. Key languages: Python for tooling, Bash for automation, and C for low-level concepts. Build small tools, sockets, parsers, and automation. Also cultivate curiosity, problem-solving, and persistence. Set a routine. Small daily practice beats long, rare sessions. Now, where to learn and practice. Platforms and certifications. Choose structured platforms to learn safely. Try HackMe and Hack. The box offer hands-on labs and beginner paths. Use Coursera or Udemy for structured theory and supplementary labs. Certifications like CEH, OSCP, and Security, plus validate skills. Choose based on goals. Set up practice labs, VirtualBox, Kali Linux, and isolated vulnerable machines. Start with basics, move to hands-on labs, then pursue certifications if desired. Familiarize yourself with essential security tools. Nmap for network discovery and port scanning. Wireshark to inspect and analyze network traffic. Metasploit for learning exploitation techniques, only in controlled labs. Burp Suite helps test web application security. Learn one tool at a time, read docs, and practice in safe labs. Tools are powerful, ethics matter. Respect laws and always act ethically. Never access systems without explicit permission and learn local laws. Follow responsible disclosure processes. Careers include bug bounty, penetration testing, and SOC roles. Use your skills for defense, learning, and improving security. Keep practicing daily and build small projects. Join communities and participate in CTFs and forums. Stay updated with security news and vulnerability reports. Like and subscribe for Part 2, Advanced Labs and Exercises. Stay ethical.